Do you know Loricera beetles? If you don't, you must know about them. They are a genus of ground beetles widespread in the northern hemisphere. They live in damp soil. The basal segment of the antenna of an adult has long and strong bristles on it. These bristles function as a trap to catch its prey. It mainly feeds on springs' tails. Now recently 3 amber fossils of Cretaceous species of Loricera have been found from Hdoukhown Valley in northern Myanmar. These amber fossils are around 100 million years old. What's astonishing about these Loricera preserved in pieces of amber is that they are almost identical to the present beetles of the same species. You know what it means? It means that the species has survived the Cretaceous Paleogene mass extinction event that had taken place 66 million years ago. This mass extinction was of 75% of plants and animal species on Earth. Dinosaurs had also gone extinct. So the extinction event that even dinosaurs couldn't have survived, Loricera beetles have survived. Do you know what's more astonishing about this insect? The teams of researchers led by a Chinese researcher called 𝙤𝙤𝙀𝙀 have found that the beetle has not changed its shape, size, feeding and its feeding habits. The amber fossils show that they had the same antennae to catch its prey. They used to feed on the same springtails. They still feed on. It means that Loricera beetles have not evolved in any way from what it used to be at least 100 million years ago. So it has unbelievably remained unchanged for such a long period of time. It is in a state called evolutionary stasis. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution suggests that species that survive keep on changing and evolving as they adapt to the ever-changing environment. But this common small black beetle has proved to be evolution-proof. What on earth has made it so? The critics of Charles Darwin's theory of evolution like Professor Robert Schedigner believed that this research could challenge Darwin's theory. They say that this beetle could be turning Darwin's theory on its head. But 𝙤𝙤𝙀𝙀 thinks differently. He says that their research can't reject the theory of evolution as Loricera beetles might not have undergone significant natural selection. Moreover, they have been feeding on springtails for over 100 million years. Springtails have been their reliable food source for 100 million years. Charles Darwin himself was aware of what scientists now call evolutionary stasis. He referred to it as living fossils. Loricera beetles are an example of Darwin's concept of living fossils.